Understanding procedures in programming.
Procedures are a key concept in programming. They are sets of instructions grouped together to perform a specific task. By using procedures, programmers can organize code more effectively, making it easier to read, maintain, and reuse. Procedures help break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts, improving both productivity and program clarity.
Procedures versus functions. What's the difference?
Procedures and functions are similar in that both group code for reuse, but there's a crucial difference. Procedures perform actions but typically do not return a value, while functions always return a value after execution. In some languages, the terms may be used interchangeably, but this distinction is important when writing structured code.
How procedures are defined and called.
To use a procedure, a programmer first defines it by giving it a name and specifying what instructions it will execute. Later in the code, the procedure is called, which means its instructions are run. This process helps organize code, avoids repetition, and allows tasks to be performed multiple times with a single call.
The role of procedures in structured programming.
Structured programming relies heavily on procedures to create clear, modular code. By dividing a program into procedures, developers can focus on individual tasks one at a time, reducing errors and simplifying debugging. This approach also makes large and complex programs easier to understand and manage.
Real-world examples of procedures.
Procedures are used everywhere in software development. For example, a procedure might handle user input, process payments, or display information on the screen. In games, procedures control character movements or game logic. With procedures, programmers simplify code, making software faster to develop and easier to update.